Good morning, my dear friends. If my hat doesn't tell you already, we are on a safari today. This safari is very special, and that is why I talk about Netherlands beyond Amsterdam, because there are so many special hidden gems in the Netherlands which which are not touristy but equally amazing and wonderful to explore. So today we are going to Bixen Berken, which is a safari park here, and the best part about that safari is that we get to do it in our own cars. I am super excited. So in today's Netherlands beyond Amsterdam episode, let's go and do some safari in Netherlands. Our safari has started and I've seen the first animal and I'm excited because look at the weather. I had zero expectations of seeing anything, but we just see a herd of zebras. The fact that it says close your window, there is a roaming cheetah should terrify you, but only if we are able to find it. Can you believe we are looking at two lions? I think it is lioness because it does not have a mane, and they are staring right at our car. And it's a bit scary if I'm being honest. Finally, I get to see a giraffe. There was an actual herd around the cars, but someone bought some food and all of them went inside. But there is one here that I can see. We are done with our auto safari. It's raining, that's why I'm wearing a hat. And now we are moving on to maybe a walking safari, but before that we need some food. Really hungry. We are out for the walking safari, and thus views are definitely better because if you can see, look at this. Just walking next to me. This is definitely better than the auto safari because I can see them from so nearby, even though it is like super scary. One thing is for sure that this park is humongous. We were just like there earlier doing our auto safari with the cars, and now we are walking here. One good thing here is I read the reviews on Google and it was like the roads are not really good, but they are really nice. Even like today in a rainy weather, I can walk properly, and I think because of which you can just not just bring like strollers and your kids, but also like old people in wheelchairs. They can also enjoy this place. I always wanted to see the baboons with red bottoms, but now I saw them and they are like, they are animals. They only care about one thing. For me, this trip has already been worth it because now I'm going to see penguins. They have different types of shows and safaris organized. So one of them is called as bird safari, praise of bird safari, bird prey safari. I don't know, I will show you. Wow. quite a few things, lot of things. We are just running one after the other. But the bird show was really amazing. Like some of them just flew like this. It was, for a moment there it was scary. And now you're just like running one after the other. So, but if my advice to anyone who wants to come here is that come really early in the morning because it is very huge. And like for us it's like we are just running for one thing after the other. So we just finished bird show and now we are going for the boat safari. So if you come really early you will be able to explore everything, at least not like us. In a hurry we have missed the boat, so now we are going on the other side of the park to catch the same boat, but we have to go there. But now I can see like 2 bears as well. Today I'm going to let go of my rule of not taking babies in my content because these ones are really very, very cute. I have to show them. So I hope you like this Bexay Bergen safari today, and I'm able to convince you that Netherlands as a country has so much more to offer in terms of beauty, in terms of wildlife, in terms of safaris. But before I leave, I'm going to give you this magnificent B-roll of these magnificent creatures. Until next time.